Hi, friends. Today, I'd like to share with you some ideas about the law of attraction, which states that our deepest beliefs held in mind over a continual period of time will tend to manifest in our world. What we want to get inspired about today is making sure that the thoughts we hold in mind are of the highest level. Now, we understand that we don't want to lay new and positive ideas over old and negative beliefs. And so those old beliefs need to be blessed and transformed and healed so that what we do hold in mind are the very highest levels of thought about ourselves, about our world, about others, and about our future. Get inspired about transforming your old beliefs and use the law of attraction to benefit and bless both yourself and others. God bless you and have a wonderful day. You deserve it.